For this week's video, I'm gonna show you the complete behind the scenes of what goes into producing an entire collab for my Instagram. And it's kinda messy. I'm in Dubai right now, and the reason for me being here is, first and foremost, I need a place where I can just log in, finish my YouTube series from Japan, so the vlogs, cinematics and stuff like that. And the second reason, which is probably more important, was visiting this pretty girl.
Who are you? I don't know you.
It's my girlfriend.
This is a stranger hugging me right now.
So that's basically the main reason. I'm spending some time with my girlfriend, which was a long time due because we haven't seen each other in like 6 weeks or something. And while I was editing, just in my grind, cool email flew in that Matador, the bag I'm actually wearing right now, wants to have a collaboration with me. And obviously, because I'm in Dubai and I'm not gonna go anywhere else right now, I'm gonna shoot this whole collab here in Dubai. So, how do I actually plan those type of videos? Most of the time, I'm pretty much a run and gun type of person. So sticking true to my nature, I just came up with a little shot list on the cab ride to our location. You probably might be asking, oh, but how do you come up with transitions and sequences and stuff like that? That's just my years and years and years of experience, because I know what I like editing, I know what works in my edits. So regarding that, I just film what usually works or what I like editing, or what sequences worked in the past for me, and I'm just gonna translate that to a new location. So yeah. Obviously, this method is not optimal whatsoever, and I definitely put more planning into bigger productions, but that's how I usually approach it on those smaller shoots. Just rock up and be creative. Anyway, I think we are gonna walk you through on every single shot and transition we're gonna film, and yeah, hopefully you're gonna learn 1 or 2 things. Alright, for my intro shot, I thought I'm gonna get a little low angle dolly shot, which means I'm gonna put the backpack down here in the middle of the place, whatever, and gonna have less for me, basically picking up the backpack, and she's gonna walk into the shot basically with the camera with a low angle while I'm gonna pick it up. It's gonna be very dynamic, but I love dynamic shots, and I'm gonna probably cut to a magic arm shot after, where I'm gonna just set up a little magic arm to the backpack where I'm gonna focus on the logo, so I can have like a little transition, if that makes sense. Either way, you're probably gonna see it now. The magic arm shot didn't really work, but I was really satisfied with the dolly up shot, so we definitely went with that. Anyway, as we obviously just rocked up to a random location and didn't really put any thought into it, we did run into some trouble. Who would have thought we just got approached by security and now we have to go to information and get a permit or something? I don't know, we'll see. He said it's for free, so updates.
We got in trouble.
No, it's not that bad.
You got in trouble. I'm sad. I don't like being in trouble.
Trying to get a permit, but nobody's here right now.
This angle though.
Shit. Our guy eventually showed up, and it was surprisingly easy to get a permit here. Just a couple of signatures and we were on our way. Alright, that was a long ass fucking recording, but we got the permit.
It's free, guys.
It's free. You can just walk up there, drop the idea, and they do it for you. It's awesome. Not awesome at all, because as soon as we got the permit, the sun set and we couldn't really shoot there anymore, so we had to change plans. Boom, time skip. We're actually, it's another day now, it's 2 days later. Our first try in the mall didn't really work out, we didn't get enough shots. The permit took way too long. We were missing out on all of the sunlight, and now we made it to a location which is called Old Dubai, I think. Yeah,
yes.
Maybe. Yeah,
yes.
It is super cool. Looks like Old Dubai, and it's definitely a little bit similar to the mall we've been to. So we are trying to get some extra shots for the Matador collab here. What else?
Just explore. I've never actually been here, so
yeah,
it'd be cool to see. I've been to other parts of of the souks, but I've never been to this part of the souks, so it'll be cool.
Yeah, definitely explore. I didn't plan any shots this time. Also thought we're just gonna explore and probably gonna find some shots, have fun, find some shots along the way, and definitely fill in the gaps from all of the shots we got from last time. So follow along.
Let's make some cinematic pieces. Let's go. Pew, pew, pew.
Now you're supposed to put your hand in there. Pew, 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 pew. Looking back at all the footage right now, I was actually glad that we didn't get all the shots at the mall, because this location was so much more cinematic and so much more shootable than the other location we've been to. And even though we were absolutely soaked because of the sweat, we definitely enjoyed our time there. Alright, so just now we found a secure little alleyway, which just looks like that. Pretty cool, has some really cool harsh light. Filmed some sequences here, we basically just walking up and down. And while walking up and down, I noticed, because it's almost sunset, that we have really long ass shadows. If you can see that, it's pretty, yeah, it's pretty dope. And now, if I walk closer to the wall, I get the shadow on the wall. So I'm thinking, my brain is thinking that
look at the light.
My brain is thinking that we could take a really cool shadow shot walking past here. Just a in-between cut. But yeah, look at that light, holy shit. We definitely came at the right time. The light was just perfect and we kept finding new locations. So they're here, my friends. Looks like a really cool spot. Obviously we took a few more shots just the past few minutes, but that little girl had decided to almost pass out on us.
No. Why are you lying to your audience? He doesn't feed me water or give me drink ice baths. Glitched.
Anyway, now that she got some water, and I'm still not convinced that she's fine, but we're still gonna keep on shooting because she said so. We ended up being this spot, and I thought it would be cool for
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying, I'm just sweating. I thought it would be cool for him to get like the little a wide shot of like the background. And then me just walking into the frame, take a photo type of vibe or video, and then walk out of the frame, if that makes sense. Yeah, I think that's cool.
I told the light to go pow and a pow.
Damn, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty dope.
FILMMAKER.
Yeah, I see the vision. Yeah, that was cool.
I make movies.
IMAX.
Yeah, IMAX.
As the sun was almost setting now, we decided to get a few last detail shots and call it a day. I know this video didn't really have much of a structure, but especially on those smaller productions, I try to keep having fun and be creative. I usually work with a strict shot list on bigger productions, which is why it's nice to just go out without a plan and just come up with ideas on the go. And that's also the reason why I wanted to make this video. Some people start losing their interest in filmmaking as soon as they make a career out of it. And most of the time it's because they take it too seriously. This is a dream job for so many people, and the biggest reason for it is because we have so much freedom. So next time you go out, make sure to be a kid again and have fun with the process.
Yeah, we'll explain it. Your brother does it better.
We watched one of my old vlogs back in the day. 4-year-old vlog, yeah.
He needs some milk.
I can't really explain it.